Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're looking at this kind of invisible war happening in the auto industry.
Right.
We're breaking down a report from Samyak Online, and they argue that the whole idea of the physical showroom is, well, it's basically dead.
Or at least it's moved. It's, migrated completely into code.
Yeah, that's the core idea here. We're moving from like kicking the tires to asking algorithms.
Hmm.
And for anyone buying a car now, that whole journey starts online first.
Oh, absolutely. But it's not just about having a website. The report calls it the digital highway. And if you're not visible there, you don't exist.
Because the way people search has totally changed.
Completely. No one just types in Ford Focus anymore. They're asking really specific things, high-intent queries like best SUV under 20K with low APR.
Or EV dealers with inventory near me, stuff like that.
Exactly. And if a dealership isn't set up for those long conversational searches, they just miss out.
Okay, and this is where the tech gets a little dense.
A little jargony.
Yeah. The report really breaks it down into three areas: AI SEO, LLM SEO, and semantic SEO. Let's unpack those.
For sure. So AI SEO is maybe the easiest one to grasp.
Hmm.
It's all about optimizing for conversation.
Not just a keyword.
Right. Old SEO gave you a list of links. AI SEO tries to give you an actual answer, like when you ask your phone, who's the best family SUV dealer near me?
It has to build an answer, not just show a directory. Okay, so that leads right into LLM SEO, which
Yeah.
I think this was the most mind-blowing part of the whole thing.
The aha moment.
Yeah, it's not just about ranking on Google, it's about ranking inside an AI like ChatGPT.
It's a totally different beast. LLM stands for large language model, and when you ask an AI for a recommendation, it doesn't just search, it synthesizes info. It builds an answer from what it trusts.
So how does a dealership get the AI to trust it?
That's where entity optimization comes in. The LLM has to recognize Dave's Auto, for example, as a trusted entity, a known thing.
Not just a website, but
Yeah.
a concept with facts attached to it.
Exactly. Facts like its location, what kind of cars it sells, what its customer reviews are like. It's all about building out a knowledge graph so the AI feels, safe, recommending you as the factual answer.
That's wild. You're optimizing so a neural network will vouch for you.
Hey.
Which I guess connects to that third pillar, semantic SEO. This is less about the brand and more about the user's intent, right?
It's all about context. If I search for an affordable used SUV, the search engine has to understand what affordable even means in today's market.
And then connect that idea to a dealer's inventory, even if I never type the dealer's actual name.
You got it. It connects the user's intent to the dealer's content.
But you can't just game the system with words. The report had this great case study about a client, Kami Nakak. He talked about the sheer grind of it all.
Oh, the technical side, yeah.
He said it took 5 months of what he called tedious work with Samyak just to get their site speed scores into the green good zone.
That green zone is so critical. It proves that all this stuff is engineering, it's not magic. And that grind matters because if your website is slow, you burn through your crawl budget.
The bot just gives up on you.
It gives up or just gets an incomplete picture. Speed is a huge trust signal for the algorithm. If your site is slow, it assumes the user experience is bad and it won't recommend you. That tedious work is literally the cost of being visible.
And even if you nail all the tech, you still need the human trust signals.
Reputation management.
Right. You can have the best knowledge graph on the planet, but if your dealership has like 2 stars on the map, the conversation's over. The deal's dead right there.
The digital highway leads the customer to your door, but it's the reviews that let them in. It's a whole system.
It really is. It just paints this picture where the showroom floor has moved entirely to the search bar and the AI chat window.
That is the new reality. Whether it's a luxury car or an EV, the sale is basically won or lost in the metadata before a salesperson ever even says hello.
It brings up a kind of a provocative final thought for me. As search gets more and more conversational and it's handled by these AIs, are we heading toward a future where the driver doesn't really choose the car?
How do you mean?
Well, think about it. If the algorithm is filtering all the options based on data matching and trust scores before I even see a list,
Yeah.
am I really the one making the choice? Or is the car, through its data, effectively choosing me?
Huh. That is a thought that is going to stick with me.
Thanks for listening to this deep dive. We'll catch you on the next one.